Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Myself Shubhangi Shukla from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. So kids, as in earlier classes we have done already the topic sounds of I. So today we are going to do one more exercise related to the same topic. Okay. So take out your English workbook, okay, and open your page number 59. Kids, do not forget to mention the date and classwork at the top, okay. So let's read the question first. What is the question? Write the ending letter to complete the word. Let's read it once again. Write the ending letter to complete the word. So kids, as you can see, here are some pictures, okay, and in front of these pictures few words are written. So what we have to do? We have to complete the whole word, okay. The ending letter of the word is missing. So we have to find out the ending letter and we have to complete the whole word, okay. We have to identify the picture and then we have to complete the whole word by writing the ending letter, okay. So let's start. Tell me, what is this? Which picture is this, kids? This is rib. This is rib. The spelling of rib is R-I-B, rib. R-I-B, rib, okay. So which letter is missing over here, kids? As you can see, R-I is already written. So which letter is missing? The ending letter is B. The ending letter is B. So you have to write B over here like this, okay. So the complete spelling is R-I-B, rib. R-I-B, rib, okay. Come on, the next one. What is this? He is a kid. He is a kid. So what is the spelling of kid? The spelling of kid is K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. As you can see, K-I is already written. So which letter is missing? Letter D is missing. Letter D is missing. So let's complete the whole spelling. We have to write letter D over here like this, okay. So the whole spelling is K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid, okay. Now come on the next one. This boy is sitting. This boy is sitting. So what is the spelling of sit? S-I-T, sit. S-I-T, sit. So kids, over here as you can see, S-I is already written. S-I is already written. So which letter is missing? The ending one. What is the letter? T. What is the letter? T. So we have to write T over here like this. And now our spelling is complete. S-I-T, sit. S-I-T, sit. Okay. Tell me, what is this? Yes. This girl is having a prize, so she is a winner. So what is the spelling of win? W-I-N, win. W-I-N, win. Okay. So let's complete the whole spelling. W-I is already written. So which letter is missing? N. Which letter is missing? Letter N. So you have to write it like this. Okay. Now the whole spelling is W-I-N, win. W-I-N, win. Is this? Yes, you all are absolutely right. This is fig. This is fig. And what is the spelling of fig? The spelling of fig is F-I-G, fig. F-I-G, fig. Very nice. Now kids, as you can see over here, F-I is already written. F and I is already written. So which letter is missing? Yes, I just told you. It is G. So what we have to write over here? We have to write letter G to complete the whole spelling like this, okay? So our spelling is complete now. F-I-G, fig. F-I-G, fig. Very good. Now let's revise all the spellings once again. This is rib. R-I-B, rib. R-I-B, rib. He is a kid. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. Come on the next one. This boy is sitting. So what is the spelling of sit? S-I-T, sit. S-I-T, sit. This girl has won a prize. So what is the spelling of win? Yes, the spelling of win is W-I-N, win. W-I-N, win. And the last one, this is fig. This is fig. F-I-G, fig. F-I-G, fig. Okay, very nice kids. So similarly you have to do this exercise in your English workbook, okay, on page number 59 and 60. Kids colored the pictures very nicely and very beautifully, okay. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.